To steam vegetables in an oven, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. Spread your vegetables out on a grate or in a steamer or colander. If you're cooking any large veggies, such as cabbage or cauliflower, cut them up into smaller pieces so they cook more quickly and evenly. Boil some water in a kettle or pot on the stove. Then pour about a ½ inch, 1.3 centimeters of the hot water into an oven-safe pot or pan. Set the grate or steamer with the vegetables on it in the pan, making sure that the hot water doesn't actually touch the veggies. Then cover the pot with foil to seal in the steam. Place the pot in the oven for about 3 to 8 minutes, depending on what you're cooking. Larger or denser vegetables, such as Brussels sprouts or broccoli, will need a longer cooking time, while smaller veggies, such as beans and peas, only need to steam very briefly. The vegetables are done when they're tender and easy to pierce with a fork, but not mushy. Remove the foil and let them cool on a plate for 3 to 5 minutes before serving them.